Welcome back. Well, as expected, a stormy afternoon, early evening. Things will be quieting down later on tonight. But if you look outside the window or take a look at our sky cam attached to our tower outside, you'll be able to see, again, a wet scenario. You have the Cajun Dome there, and well, the rains have at least diminished across the area a little bit, and it's just wet roadways right now. And you can see the traffic on Bertrand Drive there moving along pretty nicely. So all in all, not so bad, but we did have a tornado warning earlier. So let's get to the radar and show you what's going on. Showers and some strong thunderstorms still out there, showing a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning. These tropical showers producing strong and gusty winds. We have one up here in Beauregard Parish that is looking pretty intense, or should I say Vernon Parish. No, that's Beauregard. Want to make sure we got it right. You can see the strong storms to Ritter on South Road along Highway 171 and into Allen Parish, and then very intense activity in the eastern part of Acadia Parish. And I was taking a look at the Doppler velocity here, and let's go ahead and query some of these right here. I was catching about 45, 55 mile-an-hour winds, so strong and gusty winds just west of, say, the Esterwood area with this system. So some pretty hefty storms across the board. So very intense activity as we see going on across the region. And then moving farther to the south and opening it on up, you can see this cluster moving gently westward and southwestward associated with that disturbance. Still more storms over eastern Louisiana. That's going to continue probably for several more hours. So rains will continue through the evening, but gradually taper if we probably as we get to 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. Lots of high pressure north and west of the system. So one, it's going to be a slow mover, eventually heads toward the Texas coast. And we're not concerned with tropical development, but pardon me, we are concerned about the rainfall, but this high pressure to the north is going to limit the extent of those heavy rains and storms as we move forward, and that's going to be building into our area as we head into Sunday, Monday. So this is the way it looks on satellite imagery, enhanced imagery. You can see the colder cloud tops here associated with the stronger storms. National Hurricane Center giving this a minimal chance of development. They put a weak surface low over by southeast Louisiana, and that's probably where we are with this system. Now, here's the graph model. I like to start it out, stop, just to see how well it's verifying, and it's doing a pretty good job here. Notice how activity quickly diminishes as we head into the evening hours, and then toward daybreak tomorrow we see activity trying to build along the coast, but then as we get into the afternoon hours, scattered splash and dash showers and thunderstorms. In fact, tomorrow's coverage looks less than today, so it won't go quite so high on the rain chances, but we're going to keep that deep tropical moisture with us through Saturday. Probably a better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms for your Saturday. I'll go 70% for tomorrow, 80% for Saturday, so we're kind of splitting hairs. And then as we get into Sunday, we should see still some scattered activity, but rain chances should go down closer to about 40 to 50%. Again, 1 to 2 inches northern portions of Acadiana, 2 to 4 down along the coast. You could always get isolated amounts, doubles shown. Biggest rainfall out in the Gulf of Mexico. And here's the latest graph model showing the additional rainfall across the area. In some spots not catching much, and others catching 2, 3, 4 inches of rain. There could be a few isolated 6 inches, but over a 3-day period, that's relatively tolerable across the area. So we'll watch and keep it going through the overnight hours. So showers and storms ending early, quiet most of the night, but some coastal storms building in by daybreak. We're at our low for the night right now, right at about 73, 74 degrees. 86 the projected high tomorrow with showers and thunderstorms, locally heavy downpours, most of the activity into the afternoon hours, with winds eventually turning out of the south-southeast at about 8 to 14. So rain chances 70 to 80%. Next couple of days, I think I'd go a little higher Saturday versus Sunday, and then drop it down to 30 to 40% on Sunday, and then no rain chances and big heat for Monday, Tuesday before we rinse and repeat with more rain chances later next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a bit.